Do you buy the futuristic stair climber that hasn't shipped yet? The ultralight pencil vac that's actually in stock right now? Or do you stick with a corded cylinder that'll outlive your car? Today, I'm breaking down the ONLY vacuums worth buying in 2026. Robots. Cordless sticks. Cylinders. Handhelds. I've tested the claims, dug through the lab data, and separated the genuine game changers from the overpriced hype. The number one pick for most homes will surprise you. And the one you should absolutely not buy? That might surprise you even more. Starting at number 1. DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum. High-powered 25,000 pascals suction performance. Experience advanced cleaning technology with a remarkable 25,000 pascals suction power that effectively cleans hard floors and carpets. The vacuum features a total of 5 adjustable suction levels, allowing you to customize the cleaning intensity based on the specific needs of each area in your home, ensuring thorough dirt and debris removal no matter the surface. Tackle corner messes with ease. The L40 Ultra Gen 2 is designed for maximum efficiency, extending its brush and mop capabilities to effortlessly reach corners and the often neglected spaces under furniture. This feature ensures a more comprehensive clean, targeting areas where most traditional vacuums struggle to reach, thus providing a deeper and more effective cleaning experience. Number 2. Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean Upright Vacuum. 8 Dyson engineered accessories enhance the versatility and effectiveness of your cleaning routine. The tangle-free turbine tool effectively removes pet hair without getting tangled, while the combination tool provides a brush and nozzle in one for various surfaces. The multi-angle brush allows for cleaning in tight spaces and at different angles, making it easier to dust off surfaces. The Stair tool is specifically designed to clean stairs efficiently, while the Reach Under tool helps you access hard-to-reach areas beneath furniture. For delicate items, the carbon fiber soft dusting brush gently collects dust without scratching surfaces. The mattress tool is perfect for cleaning beddings, capturing dust mites and allergens, and the tool bag provides convenient storage for all your accessories. The pioneering radial root cyclone technology significantly increases suction power. This innovative design helps remove microscopic dirt and allergens from your home, ensuring that your living space remains clean and healthy. Number 3. Roborock Qrevo S5V Robot Vacuum. 12,000 pascals hyperforce suction. The Roborock Qrevo S5V is engineered for unparalleled cleaning performance, powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers remarkable suction power of up to 12,000 pascals. This intense suction capability is specifically designed to effortlessly lift and eliminate embedded dirt, pet hair, and stubborn debris from a variety of surfaces, including carpets, rugs, and hard floors. With optimized airflow technology, the device ensures thorough cleaning even in tight corners and underneath furniture, providing a spotless home without the hassle of manual cleaning. All-in-one smart dock with warm air drying. This innovative smart dock transforms your cleaning routine, allowing for a truly hands-free experience. The Roborock Qrevo S5V is equipped with an automated system that empties the collected dust into a 10-week storage bin, minimizing the need for constant maintenance. Additionally, it features a self-washing capability for its mops, followed by a hot air drying process that effectively prevents unwanted odors. The smart dock also auto-refills the water tank, providing uninterrupted mopping coverage of large areas up to 3,552 square feet, making it an ideal solution for spacious homes. Number 4. DREAME L40S Ultra Robot Vacuum. The vacuum is equipped with the advanced 6th generation TurboForce high-speed motor, which generates an impressive suction power of 19,000 pascals. This exceptional suction capability ensures that both tiny dust particles and larger debris are effectively captured from various surfaces, including hard floors and carpets. The design of the motor emphasizes low noise levels, making the cleaning experience quiet and comfortable, allowing users to clean without disturbing others around them. Tailored cleaning of different carpets. The versatility of this vacuum is enhanced through the DREAME Home app, which allows users to customize their cleaning strategy based on the specific type of carpet being cleaned. Users have the option to use removable mops for maintaining dry carpets, liftable mops that are perfect for low-pile carpets, or complete carpet avoidance for areas that should not be cleaned. The vacuum also offers the ability to perform intensive carpet cleaning by vacuuming twice, as well as a suction boost function for deeper, more detailed cleaning of particularly dirty carpets. Number 5. Roborock F25 Ultra Steam. Experience powerful deep cleaning with this cordless steam vacuum cleaner, designed to tackle even the toughest messes with ease. The innovative technology generates steam at an impressive temperature of 356, effectively lifting dried messes that regular vacuums often leave behind. Additionally, the thermal capability of 187 hot water works wonders on breaking down grease and sticky spills, ensuring that your surfaces are not just cleaned, but thoroughly sanitized. This versatile cleaning solution is perfect for a variety of surfaces including tile, vinyl plank, hardwood, and laminate floors. After using it, your kitchens and dining areas will be left feeling fresh, looking spotless, and maintained effortlessly. The vacuum features a blue light for hidden debris detection, illuminating the cleaning path with bright blue light that reveals dust, crumbs, and fine particles that are typically hard to see on dark or glossy surfaces such as hardwood, vinyl, and tile. If you click through and buy, it doesn't cost you an extra cent, but it helps me keep testing these expensive machines so you don't have to learn the hard way. If this video saved you an hour of research, or saved you from buying the wrong vacuum, smash that like button. It genuinely helps more people find this. And if you want honest, no fluff gear reviews every single week, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.